Welcome to Brighton Woodworking Machinery. I'm Ivan Fudge. Where I come from, business is done with respect and integrity. I run this company with the same values. My sincere goal with each transaction is achieving a win-win for both buyer and seller. This shop is backed by more than 18 years experience in the machinery industry, where the words client satisfaction still have meaning. We opened Brighton Woodworking Machinery's modest doors in 2012. We have approximately 4,000 square feet of used machinery and new machinery. We guarantee both. So please feel comfortable when purchasing from Brighton Woodworking Machinery. We also have a new line called Artisan. So sliding table saws and edge banders. And moving forward, we will also have other machinery under that brand. We also have parts and accessories. So for your edge banders, your pads for your chains, rollers for the beams, and other parts as well. We welcome you to come by, have a cup of coffee, have a look at what we have. Discuss your applications with us, and let's see what we can do for your business to ensure your success. We are easily accessible and located a short drive from the GTA, just 20 minutes east of the 404 on Davis Drive.